This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As we begin the month of December 2019, I continue with my theme here, which is that there are stocks that are showing signs of potential, massive breakdowns. Now keep in mind, from a big picture standpoint, we are seeing the S&P 500 showing some signs of coming off recent highs. And this is a long-term picture. Of course, all-time highs were recorded last month. We can see from a smaller time frame, a little bit of a pullback, not too much, but you never know, it could get worse. But we can see here S&P 500 coming off the top of the chart here on the top right corner of the chart. And the stocks that I've been talking about are stocks that look like they are about to break down based on recent monthly closing lows. For example, we can see here ticker symbol W, potential break here if it drops to recent monthly closing lows or past recent monthly closing lows to the downside. And the main takeaway here is these stocks could be meeting the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. Links for that method are going to be in the description of this video. Again, the risk here is the RSI and MACDs continue deteriorating to multi-year lows. So as long as this is the case, the risk for downside prices are elevated, with the RSI and MACD showing a potential push to fresh multi-year lows. That's ticker symbol W. Take a look at TXT, same thing here. Watch the recent monthly closing low. A break below that level could be a massive sell signal. In other words, stocks like this that are not trading at the top side of their chart, in other words, keep in mind, while these stocks have been drifting lower over a period of many months, S&P 500 has actually been trending higher and trading close to the highs. So this could be fresh leadership, especially if they meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout based on the RSI and MACD. Let me give you one more. TOT, again, watch recent monthly closing lows. Any break to fresh monthly closing lows, especially if it meets the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe sell signal, then the possibility of lower prices remains very high. Otherwise, the best thing here that could happen is for the general market to stabilize, and as such, the downside is capped. But if the general market sees lower prices in the coming months, in the coming years, stocks that are showing leadership potential to the downside are going to be the big movers on the way down. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.